Welcome back. In this instance, we're going to have a quick look at a few more steps. We'll start off with this step here. OCR scan from document source and output text to files. Alright, so what are we going to do here? We're going to query the database to just receive these columns. We're going to receive the path and the ID and the barcode. Why are we going to need the barcode? Well, we want to sort on the barcode. Let's have a look why. Because we want to merge documents, you see. So we want to merge by barcode. So we're going to demonstrate this. We're going to merge the PDF documents into a single document. Now remember, back in the first video we had a look at some of the documents sharing the same document number. Why? Because they were of a different document type. An invoice as opposed to a delivery note, but all relevant to the same document, therefore the same document number. So we might want to merge those two, the delivery note and the invoice, into a single document so we can reference them very easily. In this case, what we're going to do now is we're going to generate a new document only when this column changes, that is the barcode. Our input, once again, is from the record set, our database query that we're going to run, and we're going to use the path and the file columns to locate the actual physical PDF document. Alright, what happens after that? We now want to go and do this. We're going to again perform an OCR scan, but we're not going to select this option here. Right? We only have this then as an output option, and that is that the entire text of the whole document is going to be output as a new document. It may be more than one page, or it may be one page, but it will be a single document of text. Alright, what are we going to do with that? We're going to save it. Double click that. What are we going to do with it? We're going to save it in our results folder, and we're just going to give it this name, OCR from, and then we're going to give it the file name, and then we're going to give it the page number. Okay, right, so let's have a look at that. Let's see how that runs. Cue that. Okay, now we're doing a merge. You notice the merge that's happening. It's busy running through pages, and at the same time it's doing a scan. You see it's now scanned 4 pages, scanned 5 pages. Remember, now we're scanning the whole page. We're not just looking for particular areas on it, we're just doing the whole thing. So looking at this, it takes about 4 or 5 seconds perhaps, per page. Mississippi 1, Mississippi 2, Mississippi 3, no, maybe 3, 4, well, 5 seconds perhaps. Oh, we're nearly there. 15, 16. Okay, right, we're done. Okay, what would the result be? Well, we'd have to go and have a look in our results folder. And what do we see? Here we have some files. OCR from 1, 2, 3, 4, blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's have a look what's in these files. I'll edit them with Notepad++, and let's see what do we have. Okay, so this would be the first document, 1001, right? So we've got a little bit of gobbledygook at the top there. It doesn't look like much. And we've got something under invoice which doesn't look like anything usable. Super supplier, it's a little wrong there. That didn't quite get that correct. But that's us, we're the supplier probably, using this document. And again, maybe not. We have, maybe that isn't quite 100%. ABC-I space. There's a few little things that didn't work out quite as good as we would have liked here in this instance. So what we're going to do is just close all these other files down. Let's go and change one of the parameters within that task, and let's see if we can improve this. Let's push our magnification up to the max, which is going to be 5. Okay, and let's cue that again and see if we get a slightly better result. Let it run again. There we go. already created that page for us by now. Ooh, I hope I didn't stop it from writing that, having it open. When was this created? Was it right now? 217, 218 possibly. Let's have a look at that document in Notepad++. That's still not quite right, but now look at this here. Your telephone number, your customer number, that little -I is gone, so the only thing we've got is this super supplier. Not quite right there. That all looks good. Alright, everything else looks superficially to be pretty good. Superman lunch to go, £52, total £8. Sales tax, everything there looks pretty good. Let's have a look at another one. Except the result for page 2, there's nothing in there. Well, actually, there will be something in there. Sorry, I don't want to double click because then it opens with Notepad and that's pretty useless. Okay, here we got a little bit of gobbledygook at the top and then an invoice and something in there. Again, that doesn't look quite 100% right. But the rest of it looks pretty good. Let's go and see what that gobbledygook could be if we actually open up that physical document. That's this one, right? No, it would have been probably that one, because the document number would be 1002, right? So we'll just scale this down a little, 50%, so we can see everything on it. So something above invoice. It must be that image that is trying to find something that it can read in that image there. And there are little characters on there. If you really blow this up, like say 200%, you see there is something here, tax, and then there's stock photo. You see it's actually a stock photo that's been used here. There's the watermark. But there's a little bit of text there, but obviously you can't make out what that text is. The angle and everything. If it got get that right, it would be very good. What does it actually say as a matter of interest? It doesn't look like a stock photo or anything like that. Okay, but for the rest, then we've got supplier, super supplier, One Main Road, London, blum blum blum, all of these other things. We've got super supplier, One Main Road. There's London. Okay, One Main Road, London, because it's below each other. Invoice, and the date of the invoice. Everything else is here. Alright, so let's just remove that and let's have a look at another function. If we want to merge documents, so we've already seen it merge, but we've seen it merged and then being used to perform an OCR scan. What if we just want to merge the documents and put them into another PDF and store that PDF away for linking to a customer profile or something like that? That's what we're going to do here in this step. Again, we're going to have our database query, pretty much the same. We're going to sort it by barcode, right? And when we do a merge, just merge PDF documents into a single document. We're also going to change when the document column changes, and that is barcode. So every time the barcode changes, we expect a new document. Okay? And then what are we going to do with that? We're going to go to our results folder, and we're going to use this file name, merge by barcode result.pdf. Let's go and run that and see what happens. Q. Oh, that was pretty quick. Let's see. Did we get anything? Yes, we have. That was quite quick. So, merge by barcode, we should have less than 18 documents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We do have less than 18 documents. So, some of those should contain more than one page then, right? This has got one page. One page. One page. One page. One page. Aha, 2 pages. Why? Let's have a look. Scale down. It's an invoice 1006. Delivery note 1006. Alright, so there we have achieved what we wanted. The invoice and the delivery note grouped together and inserted and merged into the same document, relevant, of course, to the document, We could do the same on customer if we wanted to. In fact, here I have a test. Merge from record set by customer. What do we have? We can open that. Double click. We are now doing this. Barcode is not null, but our sorting is going to be on customer number. Okay, and our merge is going to be new document when customer number changes. Right, so we might end up with 3 pages in some documents. Right, should we try that out? Let's run it. Oh, now we only have 6 files. And that's this one here, merge by customer result. So what do we have here? Here we have one document. Here we have 2 documents, which is an invoice and a delivery note, 1003. But you notice, it's the same customer. Customer ABC12345, ABC12345, but it's 2 different unrelated documents. This is an invoice 1001, and this is delivery note 1003. So now we've combined documents relevant by customer. And what do we have here? 1 page, 4 pages, 4 pages. This is okay. Invoice 1009, delivery note 1009, invoice 1015, invoice 1008. Obviously, if we done a sort on document number as well, it would be in that order here. Right, so that just demonstrates being able to merge documents using this tool. Thank you very much for watching. We'll look at another step later on in another video. Thank you very much for watching.